There is an opportunity most people ignore, but it's been helping communities grow for decades. And it's giving a solid return of up to 10% or even more. That's the power of local cooperatives. In today's video, we talk about the what, the why, and the how. What is a cooperative? What is the purpose of a co-op? Why should you invest in your local co-op and how you earn money, but at the same time, you're helping your community grow?
My name is Ador. I'm an OFW living in the UK.
A cooperative is an association of persons that is owned and controlled by the people to meet their common economic, social, and or cultural needs and aspirations through a jointly owned and democratically controlled business. Cooperatives are legally recognized and operate under the Cooperative Code Republic Act 6939 and Cooperative Development Authority Charter. The primary objective of every co-op is to help improve the quality of life of its members. In short, co-op is a community. It's cooperation. It means willingness to work together for a shared purpose. But you see, local cooperatives are often overlooked. As OFWs, we look for opportunities abroad. We invest in global stocks without knowing that there might be a hidden gem in your hometown. In this video, I'll break down how investing in a trusted cooperative works, why it's stable, and how much you need to invest to build a monthly passive income for life. My local co-op has been around for over 40 years. That's 4 decades of stability. And out of all those 40 years since it was founded, it only posted a loss once in 2003. Compare that with the stock market or other high-risk investments, that's an amazing track record. The best part? You're not only earning, you're also helping communities, the small businesses, farmers, and the local families thrive. When you invest in a cooperative, you're not just a customer, you become a member owner. You earn through dividends and patronage refunds based on how you use the products, how much you invest, and of course, how the co-op performs that year. On average, many stable co-ops offer as high as 10% annual returns. That's higher than most banks or even Pag-ibig MP2. But it's not just about returns. You also get access to member benefits like lower interest on loans, discounts on their products, health assistance, and even educational scholarship programs for your children. So I suggest you go and visit your local co-op or do your own research first to understand the benefits before becoming a member and start investing in your local community. Now let's talk about the how. There are 3 smart ways to invest, and let's use a 5-year performance for better comparison. So option 1, invest just $100. That's roughly more than 5,000 pesos, but let's simplify it by using $1 to 50 pesos exchange rate. Total investments by putting $100 a month for 5 years would be $6,000 or 300,000 pesos. Option 2, invest $1,200 or 60,000 pesos at the start of each year for 5 years. Again, total investments for 5 years would be 300,000 pesos. And option 3, for those who have bigger savings, you invest $6,000 or 300,000 pesos as a one-time lump sum. Before we compare these 3 options, let's have 2 assumptions. Assumption 1. We use an average dividend rate of 9% per year. Even though the dividend rate changes every year, let's be conservative and simplify the comparison using the same rate of 9% year on year. Assumption 2, you will not withdraw the dividends that you earn. That means dividends are reinvested year on year. And in this comparison, you will see that for all 3 options, they all have the same amount invested in 5 years, which is 300,000 pesos, but not all of them finish the same way. Local cooperative dividends are computed annually based on your monthly balance. So let's start with option 1. Option 1 may be applicable if you have a stable monthly salary or you're just starting out. You can just start with just as little as $100 a month. That's 5,000 pesos equivalent. This is great if you're just starting to invest, but here's the catch. Since your contribution is month on month, the earlier month's contribution will start earning dividends, while the later months will have less time to grow. So in this example, month 1 you put in $100, then month 2 another $100, month 3 $100, and so on. The dividends are computed on your outstanding monthly balance. So in month 1, you only earn 37 pesos in dividends. On the first year, however, your total dividends earned will be just over 3,000 pesos. But at the end of 5 years, that becomes 80,000 pesos. Your total investment, or the money that you put in, is 300,000 pesos at the end of 5 years. But the total value of your investment after 5 years is now 380,000. That's 27% more than the money you invested. Now let's compare that to option 2. And this may be applicable for those who earn on a commission or running a business. Say you are investing money as soon as you finish a gig or a contract. So option 2 is more flexible. Say you invested $1,200, that's 60,000 pesos at the start of each year for 5 years. Total investment at the end of 5 years will be 300,000 pesos, the same as option 1. But since the full amount is deposited early, it has more time to earn. The first 60,000 has already started earning dividends. So in month 1, you earn 450,000 pesos interest. That's 412 pesos more than option 1. Now, the dividends earned at the end of 5 years is 96,000 pesos. That's 16,000 pesos more than option 1. The money that you put in is 300,000 pesos, but the total value of your investment after 5 years has grown into 396,000 pesos. That's 32% more than your initial investment. So what does this tell you? The earlier your money is invested, the harder it works for you. And with monthly compounding, timing is everything. If you can, volume-based investing is the game you need to play when it comes to investing. Volume-based just means the higher the amount you put in and the longer your money is invested, that's when you maximize the benefit of compounding interest, which is option 3. So if you have already a bigger savings like $6,000, that's 300,000 pesos, option 3 is the most powerful. Why? You already got the point. Because the full amount earns interest from day 1. This gives your money the maximum compounding period, resulting in the highest possible returns. A big lump sum of 300,000 pesos has already started earning from day 1. The first year dividend is 28,000 pesos. That's just the first year. But see, at the end of 5 years, total dividends amount to 170,000. That's equivalent to $3,400. That's money earned without doing anything. Your total investment, or the money that you put in, is just 300,000 pesos, but the total value of your investment after 5 years is now 470,000 pesos. Imagine that's 56% growth from your initial investment. But whatever option you choose, either option 1, 2, or 3, investing in your local co-op is just one example on how your money starts working for you. The secret really is consistency, patience, and thinking long term. But the money is not just sitting in the bank. It's growing, multiplying, and building your wealth over time. This is truly what you call making money while sleeping. Nakahiga ka sa madaming pera. That's literally what that means. With the power of compounding, yung kita ng unang investments mo, kumikita din. Dividends earning dividends. And imagine if you do this for 10-20 years, the money will grow exponentially. Using option 3, we can use the rule of 72 to estimate how long it takes to double your money. So 72 divided by interest rate, that's 72 divided by 9% is 8 years. So again, with option 3, your initial investment was $6,000 or 300,000 pesos. Let me flash that again to remind you. If you just keep your money in the co-op and reinvest the yearly dividends without adding additional capital, meaning not taking out additional money from your pocket. At the end of just 8 years, that 300,000 becomes 614,000. That's when your money doubles. And if you just keep that money, or maybe just keep reinvesting additional $1,000 or the same as $6,000 every year, you're building a system that gives you a passive income for life. So if you have the money now, go for lump sum. Your money works longer. If not, monthly is still great. Start small. Even if you just start investing 1,000 pesos per month, it's better than nothing. The important is you start building a habit of investing and planning for your wealth to grow. Compared to many local and international options, your local co-op remains a solid choice when it comes to investing. And now, before we end the video, let's find out how much do you need to invest to have a passive income of, say, 20,000 per month. In this case, the assumption is you want to withdraw your yearly dividends. Unlike those three options where we are reinvesting the dividends, this time the assumption is you wanted a fixed passive income. So for passive income of 20,000 every month, that's 240,000 per year. Assuming a 9% annual return, here's the formula. Required yearly passive income of 240,000 divided by 9%, that's 2.7 million. That's roughly $50,000 equivalent, or 38,000 pounds if you are in the UK. So you would need to have invested around 2.7 million pesos in your local co-op to generate 20,000 per month passive income. Again, this assumes that you don't touch the capital and you just live off the dividends. In other words, you are a dividend retiree. Just note that actual returns can vary year on year, but this gives you a solid target. So where does that leave us? Working abroad as an OFW takes a lot of sacrifice. We work very hard, but even if we work 24/7 every single day, there is a ceiling on how much we can earn. But here's the biggest mistake a lot of OFWs do. We just save, and not investing at all. With investing, you can build income that lasts for life. Your co-op is flexible and a powerful, solid choice. But be consistent. Let it compound, and every year, reinvest and grow. You deserve a better future. Comment below if you're investing in your local co-op. And yes, do you reinvest your dividends or prefer a passive income? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit like and subscribe button so you won't miss brand new videos coming up.